Every year, millions of square meters of custom interiors are produced using advanced digital printing technologies. Today, we go inside the facility where textile engineering, advanced software, precision chemistry, and industrial...
Welcome to one of the most advanced textile printing facilities in the world, where digital technology has transformed the way decorative fabrics are designed and manufactured.
In this facility, every stage is engineered for accuracy. From preparing raw textile substrates to producing high-resolution... Let's begin our journey by following the raw textile materials entering the factory before they are transformed into finished interior design fabrics.
Every printed fabric begins as a carefully selected textile substrate, delivered to the facility in massive rolls and inspected before entering production.
The SKU is correcting.
Confirmed. Parameters are within tolerance.
Before a single drop of ink reaches the fabric, every textile substrate must meet strict specifications for consistency, durability, and print performance. Before printing can begin, every fabric must be carefully stabilized and inspected to ensure flawless performance throughout the production process. Precise tension control ensures every fabric remains dimensionally stable, creating the perfect foundation for the chemical treatments and digital printing stages that follow. Before digital printing begins, the fabric receives a carefully engineered pretreatment designed to control how inks interact with the textile surface. The quality of digital textile printing depends heavily on this invisible preparation stage, where chemistry and process control. With the fabric fully prepared, it now enters the most technologically advanced stage of production, digital printing.
These enormous digital printers use thousands of microscopic inkjet nozzles to create highly detailed patterns,
Unlike traditional textile printing methods, digital inkjet technology can produce virtually unlimited designs. Every second, thousands of microscopic droplets are placed with incredible precision, creating patterns far too complex for conventional textile printing methods. Printing is only the beginning. The colors must now be permanently fixed into the fabric to ensure durability and long-term performance. At this stage, carefully controlled temperature and humidity permanently lock the printed colors into the textile fibers. Once fixation is complete, the colors become an integral part of the textile itself, capable of withstanding years of use in demanding interior environments. The fabric now moves into post-processing, where washing, drying, and finishing prepare it for final quality inspection and delivery. After fixation, the fabric undergoes extensive washing to remove any remaining process residues while preserving color accuracy and textile quality. Drying is carefully controlled to ensure the fabric remains perfectly stable while preserving every printed detail. Specialized finishing treatments can enhance appearance, durability, and performance depending on the fabric's final interior design application. Before any fabric leaves the factory, every design must pass a comprehensive inspection process that verifies color accuracy. The final product must meet strict quality standards before it can be used in luxury residential, hospitality, and commercial interior projects. Once approved, the fabric enters the final stage of production, where it is prepared for distribution around the world. From digital artwork to finished textile, every stage of production combines chemistry, engineering, automation,